Do you enjoy this style of videos but don't know how to create them? It's not difficult. Here are some of the most watched animated videos on social media, with millions of views each. These views can mean thousands of dollars for the creators of these clips, whether through YouTube AdSense, TikTok Creative, or even paid sponsorships. Just take a look and see how much engagement you can get by creating these videos. Millions of views each, which we will get for free. These are some of the clips we will generate in this video without a watermark. We have reached the stages of creating a video. First, we need the website bvideo.icu, and in the next step, we need the prompt text. Once the work is done, don't forget to like and subscribe before the lesson begins. Write the prompt text found in the video description. You can ask GPT for one, but it's better to have a plan in advance. We press enter and then wait a little. It's very simple and doesn't require any payment. Plus, you can make as many videos as you want. However, no matter how short this video is, missing a step or mixing up the steps can result in meaningless videos. You can see that it's fast. This style of video is actually watched by millions of people over and over, which leads YouTube and TikTok to push these videos to a larger audience, resulting in more money for the creators of these clips. The prompt text remains in the video description. Let's begin the second step. We will modify the previous prompt to get a different result. Remember, we should always work with a plan in advance and choose things that are effective and well-researched. We press enter and then wait a little. It's very simple and doesn't require any payment. Plus, you can make as many videos as you want. However, no matter how short this video is, missing a step or mixing up the steps can result in meaningless videos. Animated videos are among the best when it comes to entertaining and engaging audiences. I know you've all seen these clips at least once, as only a few creators are doing this, so there's hardly any competition. The reason behind the high number of views is that people can barely stop watching these videos halfway through. Let me say this first. Make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. As you can see, the video has been generated quickly and without a watermark. It's about the smallest sheep in the world, which is a tiny sheep standing on someone's finger. There's no doubt it's cute and looks soft. You can see that for the video created for you to download, all you have to do is click on the three dots and select Save. Let's begin the third step. We will modify the previous prompt to get the smallest donkey in the world, which is a tiny donkey standing on someone's finger, incredibly charming and attractive. The camera captures this moment in slow motion. As you can see, the video has been generated quickly and without a watermark. The smallest donkey in the world, which is a tiny donkey standing on someone's finger, incredibly charming and attractive. The image reveals intricate details, from its small hooves to its short mane, showcasing its realistic and playful features. Its ears are upright, and its tail is flicking with energy. The website used is free beta. You just need to request to join. They accept the majority in a short time. Like and follow to get the best tips and guidance on our channel. See you in the next video.